This is the kind of goofy thing I do where I've got these Tango recycled mechanical pencils. They're kind of a cool mechanical pencil that I like. I just like the feel of them, but they're real cheap, and they come with 3 5mm leads already in them. But the deal is, those leads are like whatever they are, some generic B lead. So what I've been doing, because I've discovered this, I take out the 3 leads it comes with, and I always have to check, make sure it only had 3 leads, like I was ever going to use them again after I take them out. And again, like I was ever going to use them again, I have this container where I stick all these leads that I sacrificed to this this hack. And then I take 4B 5mm lead, which this is pretty nice stuff here. I've got another big pack of it, just recently 3 big packs of it. So I'm up to about 120. Well, I guess that's all the same. Here's the other one I had. Here's the other brand. I'm not sure if I can read that. Anyway, 4B, once you get this in your little 5mm pencil, it's like you've created a black wing pencil that you never have to sharpen, which I love the little black wings because they feel so good. I always describe them as buttery in terms of like how the lead comes out. There we go. Eek, don't want to break any of them. Ah! I hate that. Okay. Alright, I just hate waste. Look at all that. I'll stick them in after I get this one to load. So anyway, you just load it the way you would ordinarily. Once I get this started, I'll stick those other scraps in. And you get it to run down. Oh, you know how to load a pencil. What am I doing here? But anyway, this is just a really nice line now. And like I said, it feels like the black wings, the 4B. And you don't have to sharpen it. And the other hack is I also buy, this is the cheapest little 5mm you can buy. And it's fine. It's got the same sort of generic lead in it. But what it's really good for, see, I'm taking the end off this one. Its erasers are just great. Look how nicely that picks up. So I keep one of these around while I'm using this, because it's little white erasers. Those are crap. They smear as much as they erase. And so that's my big hack of using 4B lead inside a inside a cheap Tango recycled 5mm pencil, and using the Papermate eraser. And I'm having a lot of fun drawing with it. So that's it.